Inverse of a matrix. Students, in this video we learn how to find the inverse of a matrix without finding the adjoint. So let us see that in these type of questions, the question will be of this format. For the matrix, given matrix will be there, and for that an equation will be given, and for we'll have to prove that it is true, and then you have to find A inverse. So you already know, so we have to now we'll start solving this one. Solution. First part you already know how to solve. So first of all, you write down the matrix A and then find A square. You know how to find A square, and then find A cube. A cube, and then put all the values of A square and A cube in the left hand side of the given equation. So what we'll write? Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Putting 1, 2 and 3, putting 1, 2 and 3 in. So you will be putting A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I. So put in this, substitute the value of A cube, A square and A, and I is of course the identity matrix, and on solving it you must get 0 matrix. 0 matrix. So this part you will do on your own. Now the second part is how to find the value of A inverse. In this one, if you find the cofactors and find the A inverse, then you will be not allotted any marks, because the meaning of hence means we from this equation itself we have to find the value of A inverse. So let us see how we can do that one. First thing what you have to do is transfer to the other side the value from these many terms. Transfer the term which is having I with it. So transfer to the other side. Of all these terms, transfer the term which is having I with it to the other side. So the equation we will be getting here is A cube minus 6A square plus 9A equal to 0. This is 0 matrix plus 4I. So we will get 4I. Then you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of I. So what is the coefficient of I? 4. Divide both sides by 4. So we will be getting therefore 1 by 4 A cube minus 6A square plus 9A equal to I. Next step, multiply both sides by A inverse, either to the right or to the left. So let us multiply A inverse to the right side. So we will be getting here 1 by 4 A cube minus 6A square plus 9A multiplying with A inverse. Same we will do the other side also, I into A inverse. Now solve this one, so this will become 1 by 4. A3 into A inverse, you will get A square minus A square into A inverse, you will get 6A plus 9A into A inverse, you will get 9I, and equal to I into A inverse, you will get A inverse. So now you already know the value of A square, you know the value of A, and you know the value of I. Put all the values in this equation. Suppose this equation number 2. Put all the values of A square, A and I in equation number 2, and the values you will be getting will be equal to A inverse. So this is how we find A inverse.